Let's fix it. First, we go and search for services. Yes, and click the service, and this pop-up will appear. In this, you need to scroll down, and gain input service is there. Yes, you need to click and right click and go to properties. In this properties, it should be in manual. The type should be in manual, and the service status should be in stopped. And go to game input reduced services. Yes, go to properties, and it should be in disable and should be in stopped. Then make sure these two options. Yes, these two options should be in this node, and go back. And here you can see CMD. Go to CMD and right click and go to run as administrative. Yes, click it. Yes, in this you need to type first you need to type SF, sfc space slash scan now. Yes, it's nothing but it will scan all the entire files and folders in your PC and check whether have any problems or not. If there is any problem, it will show. And make sure this process will take time, so you need to be patient and wait for till it goes 100%. And after the next step, need to click search and go for adjust the appearance and performance. Yes, this adjust the appearance and performance of the window. This is the important settings. So go to advanced and click the in virtual memory. You need to click the changes. Yes, and disable the automatically managed paging file. Yes, disable it. And enable the custom size. Yes, you need to give the initial size and maximum size. Initial size should be the recommended size, like 28 for me the recommended size is 2859. So, and maximum size should be the current allocated 15350. Depends on your PC recommended and current allocation, you need to set. And after set, you need to click OK. Yes, after OK, it will ask for reset. So once it's completed, you need to reset the PC, and after that you need to check and verify it. The problem will be solved. Yes, reset the PC and the problem is fixed. So this is how to fix this issue. So thank you.